Hey YouTuber, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to run electrical outlet for the outdoor. Just come with me. The first thing you do, of course, you need to turn off the breaker. And for this house, I'll have to turn off the kitchen breakers. Today I'm going to create two extension for the outdoor using an existing light switch. I'm going to tie to that light, adding a box right here, going through the PVC pipe, go to that side, and then extend it to the other side of my fence. First off, I'm going to make a hole right here. So I'm going to make a mark. Gonna drill a small hole first. All right, those holes were pre-drill. Everything looks to be safe, so now I'm gonna go with a bigger drill bit. Yeah, start with the smallest drill bit because you want to make sure that you're not really punching through or cut anything behind that wall. So now I have a hole that I can put this in. All right, so this is the switch I'm gonna tie to, and there's a little hole that I already made for the additional wiring. And that goes down through the other hole that I just pre-drilled. This is the type of cable I'm using. So I fish a cable through the hole from the box, and then I tape the electrical cable with black tape or electrical tape. I pull it from the inside. Here we go from the inside. Now I'm stripping the cable. Cables, ground, neutral, and hot. The white one is neutral. I have to strip it off a little bit with a tip. This is a 12 gauge. 12 gauge. Making a little pathway for the PVC. Alright, we just cut the PVC pipe. So what I'm doing here is I made some PVC pipes, cut it in the position or the measurement that I need, and then run the electrical cable over and, you know, glue those PVC pipes together. I'll clip this in. This is to hold the cable from not moving around or vibrating. There you go. So that it doesn't vibrate and cut the cable in the future. All right, this is good. Cut. So now my wife and I are digging the hole roughly 3 to 4 inches down the ground so that we can put the PVC pipe underneath and cover it with dirt, and then eventually the concrete will be poured on top of it. It's a little bit dark right now, but I'm still working. I just want to make sure that this is all done for tomorrow. The reason why I have this box right here and the cable all cut up and connected through this box is because just in case in the future I want to add additional outlets or anything, I can extend this box and you know, add additional stuff. Very simple. All the white goes white. Brown go brown. Just match up with the color. Hot. Maybe can I get a piece of tape? Black tape. Okay. Usually you don't need to tape these, but for me, I like to tape them. There you go. It's good. Alright, it's been a long day. There you go. It's dirty. Alright, so I stripped these wires so that way I can install a GFI receptacle, black cable, white cable, and ground. All right. This is the main cable that's going from the other side. I'm gonna put it right here. Right. Put it on top. I'll do that. Oh, do that. Let me do it here. And save cables. Alright, perfect. Alright, good. Good. And this one, this wire is going to go to the other side near the fence. So again, white, long one is white. You can tell it's a different color too. Good. Let's make sure nothing is loose. Good. Like this, just gonna tighten them together. Pretty hard to work at night, but because they're gonna come and pour the concrete tomorrow, that's why I gotta get this done, because I gotta work tomorrow. This is a weatherproof cover that I purchased at Home Depot. Basically all the material were purchased at Home Depot, but I end up exchanging this for a better one that I'll show you later in the video. Let's see what does. So you slide it in here, then you turn it to that side. Perfect. And that was all snapped in. Yep. Now I'm going to screw the bottom. Like I said, it has to be sealed up because you don't want water to get in. Let's see here. Looks good. Make sure. There's a holes right here. Okay, looks like you have to line it up like this. Okay, and then you push it all the way in. There you go. Tap this into a switch inside, going all the way down, and add another receptacle, GFI, you know. Well, right now nothing connected to it yet, so it's weatherproof. Looks pretty good, and it goes all the way here. And eventually I'll have a pole right there. Here's the second day when they pour the concrete already, and I have enough time to finish up the second receptacle. sand process, and you just cut the PVC pipe to the measurement that you need, glue it, and then connect the cable to it. I'm splicing the cable so that I can connect it to the GFI. Alright, so this is the GFI. You see that long line? You need to connect the white cable to that, and the other side will be the black cable. And of course, the neutral cable is in the green. We don't want it to get all the way in. Just enough because we still have this cover. The cover that I have, I just found out you can either have it this way, where you can open up this way, or this way. But for this, I would prefer going this way. So you can just put it in here and slide it to the left. There you go. Ta-da! So here's the final product after I stained it and put a cap on top. And as I mentioned in the beginning or mid of the video, I changed the cover. The reason for that is because with this one, it looks thin, but you have the ability to extend it at least a couple more inches like that. You see this? That will, because sometimes you have to plug in a very thick plug, and you need something like this, or else you cannot close the cover. This is only 10 bucks versus the other one is $5. I didn't know they have this kind of thing until I went to Home Depot again and checked it out. Yeah. Alright, so this is a switch that I will tap in and turn on and off, on. So technically, this hot wire right here is the one that I have to tap on. Because what happens with the bridge, with the switch, it's like a bridge. So this is currently open. When you press this, it'll touch this connector, and that connector will touch the cable up here, and it'll turn on the light. So the best part is what I have to do is I have to cut this off, splice it. Strip this off. Camera a little bit closer. All right. This is a new cable that I brought up. We would need to have a white cable, which is a neutral cable, and it's right here. White goes with white. When we have a bundle like this, sorry for the movement. When I have a bundle like this, I usually zip tie it, just in case. Just in case it pops and stuff, you know? So my cables are good. Let's pop it back in. Okay, good. Just remember, new cable. Ground. Just drop it right here on the ground. Just gonna put it like that. All right. This cable, this wire, I'm going to replace it with a better wires for your, there's a little clip that you can put something in here, it'll pop up, but, or you can twist the cable that I have. Slide it through. So, oh, looks like it's broken. Popped in. Good. That was long enough for me to put in the wire nuts. Again, safety first. Because you don't have to do this at all. But I like to be safe. It. So what happened is when you turn it on, it will turn the light outside on and also the outlets. Alright, I hope that this video is helpful, and please share, subscribe, and like. Thank you. See you next time.